For this adventure we travelled to Wensleydale to spend a few days in the market town of Leyburn. It's a very interesting town with plenty of amenities and nice places to eat and drink. We pitched our camper van at Lower Wensleydale Caravan and Motorhome club site. This immaculate and welcoming site is situated in a landscaped southern part of Harmby quarry, and an old battery of lime kilns still exists and are an impressive feature of the caravan park. A short walk from the site is Leyburn station, which is part of the Heritage Wensleydale Railway, with some great restoration projects on show, including rolling stock and locomotives, some back to former glory and others which are still clearly work in progress. Excuse me madam, where are you going today?
Today we are going from Leyburn to Leaming Bar.
And what are you going to do when you go there? You're going to get on the train and come back?
Yes.
Riding on the train gives the opportunity to take some spectacular views of the Yorkshire countryside.
And then this one's just printing, is your ticket.
Excellent. Oh, you've just done that wee little thing and everything.
Does anyone else need to?
It's dog friendly too. It's very interesting to step off the train and spend some time in the stations, which gives an insight into passenger travel in the early 1900s. The railway provided an essential service for passengers and freight, including agricultural goods, animals, milk and coal. Leaming Bar station is the hub of the railway. It is home to the staff offices and engine shed where the locomotives and rolling stock are maintained and restored. The railway relies on volunteers to keep everything running. Unfortunately, at the time of recording this video, there weren't enough volunteers to keep the Leyburn ticket office open. So hopefully this can change in the near future. The railway and Leyburn itself is definitely worth a visit. It's very interesting, lovely place to spend some time. In fact, one visit probably isn't enough. Thank you for watching.